Every morning, Darren Granfield makes a lot of stops. That's why he starts with a Chiquita banana from Mom, with plenty of vitamins and potassium that helps Darren feel better and keeps him sharp. Exactly what he needs to...
Monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Does that camera of yours give you easy drop-in loading like this? No way. Then can it give you 3 different picture options for better pictures more often?